Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which there were two issues before the Kolkata ITAT SMC bench. The first issue was that if the assessee takes a plea that he has withdrawn some cash in the previous 5 to 6 years and out of that cash withdrawals he has deposited the amount into the bank account after 5 years, so whether this explanation can be accepted without discharging the onus on the part of the assessee that the same amount has been deposited by the assessee into the bank account. And the second issue was that when the rate under section 115 BBE has been enhanced from 30% to 60% with applicable date 15th December 2016. So whether that rate will be applicable from 1st April 2017 or whether that rate will also be applicable for the assessment year 17-18. These both the issues have been taken up by the Honorable Bench in the case of Tapas Kundu versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 133 ITR Tribunal Short Note 17 and the date of the judgment is 12th December 2025. In the present case, the assessee do have 9 bank accounts and the assessee has deposited a hefty amount of rupees 39 lakh into his bank accounts during the previous year 16-17, which was relevant to the assessment year 17-18, which was the period of demonetization. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer noticed that the assessee has withdrawn an amount of rupees 21.50 lakhs from his bank accounts, and the assessing officer assumed that out of that the assessee has expended rupees 15 lakh for his domestic purposes and other expenses, and so out of 39 lakh the assessing officer only considered 6 lakh that the same amount has been deposited into the bank account. So out of 39 lakh the assessing officer made an addition of 32 lakh. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the assessee was there were two contentions of the assessee that the remaining amount of addition of rupees 32 lakh should also be deleted, and the rate which should be applicable for calculating the tax purposes should be 30% and not 60%, because the rate has been amended with effect from 15th December 2016. So that rate should be applicable from the assessment year 18-19 and not assessment year 17-18. When the tribunal heard the matter, because when the matter was before the CIT appeal restricted the addition to 26 lakhs, meaning thereby that the CIT appeal also gave a relief of 6 lakh rupees to the assessee but sustained the addition at rupees 26 lakh. So when the matter was before the tribunal said that there is no infirmity in the order passed by the CIT appeal. The CIT appeal has passed a reasoned order and has given a further relief of rupees 6 lakh in the amount of cash deposited out of the source funds. The tribunal said that it is highly improbable that any assessee withdraws the money 5 to 6 years back and keeps the same amount for the deposit after 5 years, and that too especially in the period of demonetization. The tribunal said that in the present case, the explanation of the assessee that the assessee has withdrawn the amount on the advice of his advocate for giving money to his divorced wife is also not acceptable. The tribunal said that it was the duty of the assessee to explain that the same amount has been deposited by the assessee into the bank account which has been withdrawn from the bank account. The tribunal also upheld the order of the CIT appeal to the extent that the rate applicable for the assessment year 17-18 under section 115 BBE for the addition made under section 69A is 60% and not 30%. Friends, a number of the tribunals and also the high courts have held in favor of the assessee that the rate applicable for the assessment year under section 115 BB is 30% and not 60%, and the 60% will be applicable from assessment year 18-19. But in the present case, the Kolkata ITAT ruled in favor of the revenue that the rate applicable under section 115 BBE is 60% for the assessment year 17-18 also. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Tapas Kundu versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 133 ITR Tribunal Short Note 17 and the date of the judgment is 12th December 2025. Thank you, friends.